Okay guys, so now that we've tried the German restaurant, we've tried the bakery and the cafe, we tried soul food, now we're gonna be trying some tacos. Now, if you're in the heart of Augusta and you're looking for a great place to go for tacos, you definitely need to go try the Tacocat. We're gonna be trying a lot of the dishes here. We're gonna be trying a lot of different things on their menu. It seems like they have a lot of tacos, and they have a food truck style, but with a lot of select tacos. So I'm excited to try it. I think you can't go wrong with tacos, but some people do. So let's see how they do here. Stick around and find out.
All right, hey, I'm Mike. I'm one of the managers over here at Tacocat Augusta, located on the heart of downtown Broad Street on 10th Street. All right, we've been open here at Tacocat since July 2022, and we're known for having an extensive agave portfolio. So we're known for having some really good house-made tacos made from scratch here at Tacocat. We're more of like a food truck on a bigger scale. So our most famous dish that we have is the Taco Platter. It comes with one of every single one of our tacos. One of our newest additions is the queso Birria, which is world famous Birria taco meat cut up into pieces. You get to dip it in the consomme. We have really good Chorizo Dip and chips and queso. We got house-made chips and salsa. Everything is made in-house here at Tacocat. And if you have a birthday, come on in and order some churros. We're really good at doing our house-made churros. Chorizo dip, we sear our chorizo to order and add it to the queso. And it's a nice hearty dish, nice rich with the protein and flavors. And it seems to be a hit on every table.
Anything that you want to know about Tacocat, the first thing you want to know is that we are a tequila bar. We have some of the best selection of tequilas available. We have a lot of imported tequila straight from Mexico, from the 3 approved states where tequila is legally allowed to be manufactured. We have some of the best selection of Blanco, Reposado, and Anejo, extra Anejo as well. We have some of the pairs for some of the families of these tequilas, like we have the Fortaleza, we have the Pasote. We also have quite a mezcal selection, quite a bit of information about each bottle. We try to stay informed about it. We do boast the best tequila bar for hundreds of miles outside of Atlanta. I have not seen another bar anywhere in my life that has this much tequila.
So here we have the chorizo cheese dip. Take a look at that. It's nice and hot. So I'm super excited to try it. So it's super cheesy. Look at that gooey cheese. Trying to get a bit of that chorizo. Yeah, it's really gooey, so I'm trying to get as much as I can. Oh my gosh. That chorizo is amazing. If it's amazing in this dip, I just wonder what the chorizo taco is gonna be like. This is really good. Yeah, I really love the chorizo. I'm probably gonna have to fight Nathan later for the chorizo taco, but it's honestly amazing.
All right guys, so I'm gonna jump into this dip as well. I do love it. The cheese, the chorizo, marrying together. My dad used to make a taco dip, do a movie night, very similar to this. Give me some nostalgic feelings. Really, really good.
We have the queso Birria. As you can see right here, there's the Birria sauce in the middle, and then there is Birria quesadillas all around. Take a look at that. I'm so excited. I love Birria, and I'm so glad that they carry it. So how this works is you take the sauce right here. You can see right here. You dip it in. Look at that. I love it. I love it so much because you get such a strong beef flavor out of this. And the cheese they use is really good too. I'm not exactly sure what cheese it is, but it just really works really well with the sauce. I'm honestly going to take this for myself.
Look at this thing. This thing is huge. So now, if you're like me and you have no idea what kind of taco you want to order, just get this. It's everything. Every taco you can imagine in one tray. This is insane. This is intimidating. I'm not going to eat all this. Jenny's going to help me. So in this, you have the Americana, which is like the American Taco Bell type of taco. I'm gonna try this one out first. Americana, typically you're gonna have your basic stuff. You're gonna have your salad, your cheese, your ground beef. So, trying this out right now. Typical American taco. The ground beef is done well, seasoned well, taco seasoning. I can taste the cumin, chili, pepper, salt. Really good. All right, secondly, the birria. Is it a birria taco or queso birria taco?
Birria.
Exactly. Look at this thing, just delicious looking. Look at that, look at that. Okay, so, doing some dipping action. There you go. Woo! That was good. That was good. That was really good. Now, what makes it so good? Two things. The birria meat that's here, this meat is done very, very well. It's seasoned very, very well. I could eat that out of a bowl and be happy. Secondly, the sauce that Jenny just took from me. This is really, really good, actually. It's seasoned very well. A lot of times when we go to queso or birria places, the sauce is just like oil. It has no flavor, and it's kind of frustrating. It's like, why are you giving me this? It's just making me like eat a soggy taco. But the sauce here actually has flavor and a personality. I love it. Chicken tinga. This is a chicken with cilantro, with some kind of, what is this?
Some Mexican cheese. I'd like to point out that it is 6.15.
What was that?
Some kind of Mexican cheese. So it has like a cheese, the chickens, that sauce, cilantros and onions. Let's go into this. I don't know. It's hard for me to tell which is my favorite so far. So let's keep going. But this one is really good. This chicken is sauced well, seasoned well. Oh yeah, and it has really good flavor. They spent a lot more time on that than they did on the pastor. Because that's flavored very well.
Nope.
All right.
No.
This next one is very strange. I've never seen a taco like this before. This taco is like a vegan taco. It has sweet potatoes, corn, cheese, lettuce. A lot of things happening in this taco, so never had a vegan taco, but here we go. All right. It's so different. It's crunchy. That shocked me. Really crunchy. What is it? What's the crunch happening with this?
Potato? It's the corn.
It's like a hot corn? All right.
It says spiced corn, so I'm assuming like corn nuts.
Either way, what you need to realize when you're trying this vegan one is that there's a very strong crunch at the base. It caught me off guard. So this dough is going to be crunchy and soft. The textures are just going to be a little bit jumbled together. Okay, so...
It's always changing.
Okay, so the pescado, the blackened fish is going to be a fish of choice for the day. And obviously it looks delicious. There's like a cream sauce. There is, shredded purple cabbage. So here we go. So fish taco is delicious. I do love the season of the fish. I love it with the sauce. I think the sauce makes it. So it's pretty good. So next one's going to be asada. Now we are getting I would say traditional, but here we go. Now, there's a lot of funky tacos here, and to me, the traditional ones are still cutting through. I love the asada one. This is the spicy shrimp. It has green onion, cilantro, a spicy sauce, I'm sure, a spicy slaw, and blackened shrimp. So here we go. Okay, this is my new favorite. Save the best for last, I guess. Oh, whoa.
Is it spicy?
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, I might take that back. There was a lot of pain, but okay. But it's so good. You want to fight through it and just keep eating. All of these are really good. My favorite would be the Birria tacos, the fish, the spicy shrimp. Try those three if you're wondering.
Okay, so here we have churros. Take a look at these churros. They look so crispy, and I'm super excited to try them. So it comes with 2 sauces. Take a look at that. Okay, this is chocolate, of course, and this is caramel. So let's try it without the sauces real quick. I'm in love with this. So this is honestly cooked amazingly. The outside has a shell, but it's really soft on the inside. I'm gonna try it with some of the sauce now. Take a look at that caramel. It looks extremely sweet, and I'm excited to try. It's absolutely delicious. I've had a lot of churros, but this one is really good. So we're gonna dip it in the chocolate next. That's some rich milk chocolate. It actually might be semi-dark. It's sweet, but you can definitely taste the chocolate, like bitter notes. It's a really good quality churro platter, and I highly recommend.
We're located on 10th Street. We're open Tuesday through Saturday, 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. And we have live music every single night of the week.
If you find yourself at the heart of Augusta and you want to really just dive into some tacos, get the taco flight. It definitely will feed you and another person, probably 3 people all together. Don't do what I did and try to eat all on your own. You will not make it out of here alive. Altogether, this was a great place to visit, and I feel like you can't go wrong when you come here. Everything's made from scratch, so don't miss out. Check them out and let us know what you think.